Yan ang pinakagusto ko, yung talagang brown na siya. Hi, B-boy. See hi.
And
You
you
should
can't see
hi
the
to
blonde. The sun
Hi.
is blinding me.
Because MaryAnn wants her to be quiet, she's annoying. So I'll sit there and bark back at her. And she loves it, it's like a conversation.
Camera off. Camera off.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon guys! Today is Monday and papunta na dito yung, hindi papunta, pupunta dito yung asawa ko, yung ina niya at saka yung kapatid niyang babae na yung bumisita dito. Napupuin yung mata ko guys, as in talaga guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong napasok pero pumasok talaga siya guys. Grabe guys. Pumasok talaga siya guys. Anyway, andito tayo sa basement dahil kukuha tayo ng pang-ulam natin mamayang gabi. Magdi-defrost ako. So, magluluto ako ng bihon. And, anong kaparis ng bihon? Bihon at saka meat. Saka may gulay. So, mag-barbecue na lang kami. Okay naman ata itong si Forky. Bubuel ko lang naman siya. And then, pagkatapos niya, nagluluto pala ako ng pang-mukbang ko ngayon. Gulay siya. Parang nakikita na ata na ninyo. Nakikita niyo na siya. Pero ako, mag-vlog pa rin ako, guys. Okay? Let me do a vlogging. And this is my lifey. Hello? Chinese cabbage. Yeah, Chinese. Chinese cabbage. And ito, chicharong bulaklak. Ang agta nalata. At saka si red bell pepper. Pang bihon natin ito, guys. Para colorful yung bihon natin, guys. Diba? At saka si spinach na hindi ko naluto. Isasagol natin yan. Ay, natatagak si Porky. Meron pa akong vegetables dito. So, yun. Ganito, guys ba? Diba? Naano nyo yun, guys, yung magluluto kayo. Dahil sa kakaluto ninyo, kahit hindi ka pa kumakain, ano pa rin yung pakiramdam mo na hindi ka gutom dahil sa kakaluto mo at saka hindi ka kumakain, luto ka lang ng luto, naamoy mo lahat yung naamoy mo talaga yung naamoy mo. Red bell pepper ang inano ko sa bihon, and then ito siya, onion, garlic, cabbage, that piece whatever that, and of course yung tawag nito, guys, spinach. So ang gagawin ko na lang is ikakat itong si Porky. Kuha tayo ng bihon dito. Halaka diha, halaka. Kakahala ka. Kuha tayong bihon and then magluluto tayo. Itong bihon yung niluluto ko. Ginagamit ko kasi gusto ko itong klaseng to. And yun. Anuhin ko lang siya. Bakit ayaw close? Close open. Close open. Bayad sa didi ni mama. Ano niya yan? Yung sa mama ninyo. Anyway, magluluto lang ako, guys, and I will be right back. Ipakita ko sa inyo pala pag mag-start na ako magluluto. Ikakat ko lang itong pork. And so yun. Hi guys, nanonood ako ng live ng gaming. Tignan nyo yung ano ko. Tika muna ha. Kasi, so, ito yung, ko guys, di ba bumili ako ng pork? So, pinili ko lang yun. Maliit lang yung ilalagay ko na pork na and then, siya, most of it is just like, yung unod niya. At saka dito, siniparit ko yung may maraming fat para siya na lang yung ng oil. So, ito yung gagawin ko. Lagyan ko ng maliit na oil. And then, ilalagay ko ito para yung oil niya doon ako kukuha ng pangluto. So, yun yung gagawin ko. And, ito, ang gagawin ko nito is adobohon. Adobo ko na lang siya. Si Porky. Yung bihon pala, inano ko na siya sa tubig. Lagyan natin ng pepper para masarap. Nilagay ko na pala yung meat niya, yung the rest of the meat, the rest of pork. And then nilagay ko na din yung garlic. Of course, we have to season it para hindi blah yung pork natin mamaya. Kasi kung kainin natin siya with the bihon, hindi siya, parang may lasa siya ba? So, yan. And yung pork is ito siya. Ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Niluluto ko siya. And yun. Guys, brown na. As in brown na siya, guys. Look. Yun ang pinakagusto ko. Yung talagang brown na siya. Yung sobrang ganda ng brown. So, ilagay natin si onion. Si cabbage. Then, ilagay ko si itong chickpeas. Ilagay natin yung chickpeas. Nakalimutan ko yung carrots. Kalimutan ko si carrots. So, guys. Yan. Ilagay natin si toyo. Ang toyo. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Lagay ko kayo dyan. Sayang walang carrots. Kasi yung carrots nagdala ng kulay. Sayang na walang carrots, guys. So, nilagay ko na din si red bell pepper. Alam nyo, napag-isipan ko, ilagay ko na rin si spinach. Siniparit ko na siya doon. Nilagyan ko ng tubig. Okay, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig, guys. Para dito natin ilagay si bihon. Okay, nilagay ko na si bihon. May tubig siya, guys. I don't like when may tubig siya. Pero you know what? It's okay. Finally, tapos na siya, guys. And so, yun yung dinner namin. And then, magluluto pa ako ng pork. Walang cover ito ngayon. Itong ano guys, table namin ngayon. I-unhook ko muna itong ano ko. Kasi, para wala masyadong wire. Alam niyo ba si Roxy? Tingin ng tingin sa akin kasi kapag nagsasalita ako at saka ako lang mag-isa, itong si Roxy guys, nakatingin na lang palagi guys. Always na lang yan, ganyan guys. Yan. Ganyan yan si Roxy kasi ang dada niya papunta na dito. Dada's coming here. And we're gonna get Dada soon because he'll be here. Dada will get something. Dada. Dada. What? He'll be here. Dada will be here. Yes. You know, Dada will be here, my love. Dada will be here. Yeah. Hi guys, walang katapusang pagluluto. So nagdesisyon ako, akala ko bukas ko na lang ito gagawin, pero lulutuin ko na siya. Ito yung asparagus. Lutuin ko na lang siya guys, oy. Para sabihin ko na lang bukas asawa ko na hindi na ako magluto bukas. Gusto kong pumunta sa labas at i-continue ko yung paglilinis dun guys. Uy, ginoo ko guys. Dami pang lilinisin dun. Pasensya na kayo guys kapag magsalita ko ba. Yung mata ko talaga hindi ko mapigilan. Expression ko yan na guys na mga ganun ba. Hindi ko na talaga mapigilan. Pasensya na kayo guys kung ayaw nyo yung malagat-lagat yung mata. Kung ayaw nyo malagat-lagat na mata. Pasensya na kayo guys. Kasi, ayun ako. Parang kung magsasalita kayo ba. Feeling ko kasi nandun kayo sa harapan ko kausap ko. So, parang feeling ko na, ganun talaga ako. Ganun ba yung mata ko, ganun dahil ako. So, bukas, gusto kong ayaw ko na magluto. Gusto ko, trabaho na lang sa labas. At saka, itatapon na naman namin na mag-asawa yung basura na nakulik namin sa pagkakat ng grass. Ay, nakakaloka. And then, ano pa ba, yung ano namin. Gusto kong putulin namin yung mga extra branches sa mga kahoy-kahoy. Diba maraming kami mga kahoy-kahoy sa paligid. Yung sa front house namin guys, marami guys. Kailangan talaga siyang ikat kasi overgrown na siya. So, kailangan i-trim siya ba? I-trim. Kasi, I don't like it. I don't like it. Stop. Let's go get Dada. Let's go get him.
Happy.
See? Kami, Mitch. Okay, guys, andito na si Tommy, guys. Andito na yung baby ko, guys.
Puppy. Puppy. Little puppy guppy. You're a puppy guppy.
He's the one doing the thing. Hi, B-boy. Say hi.
And
You
you
said
can't
hi
see
to
the
them.
blonde. The sun
Hi.
is blinding.
Bathroom, she said she'll come out when you get out of the bathroom.
Okay. Figure I make a chair for her.
Roxy?
I remembered where your other bathroom was.
Well, there's three of them.
Look,
Hey,
Rox.
sweet dog. Hey, sweet dog. Yes. Yes, you're a sweet dog.
She's the kissy,
Oh,
lovey
sweet
one.
dogs.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, crazy puppy. Come here, crazy puppy. Oh, you want to go answer? Well, look. You're the new kid in town. She get more attention from you.
She's got so much energy. Look at her go. Who was the boy?
Alex, I know Alex was pissed off at me
Because
that I
she
didn't
didn't.
come up here when she came up because I didn't feel good. And I had a hell of a time getting it out of the ground with 2 people.
Inside, she didn't want to be outside.
The noises and then sort of this.
And I wiggle with her. It's crazy.
Oh my
Well,
God.
she loves to talk, so she barks at you because she wants to talk to you. MaryAnn yells at her when she barks. Because MaryAnn wants her to be quiet, she's annoying. So I'll sit there and bark back at her, and she loves it. It's like a conversation.
And look at the cloud, hon. It's so pretty, hon.
Yeah.
It's so nice with the bird in there. Don't drown it with that sauce, hon.
So I just pour a little bit and I spread it.
Watch out, hon. I don't want him to jump down so high. Your nails. I need to cut your nails, my man. I need to cut your nails, little bug. I love you, little man. I love you. I love you. Look, he's looking. Maybe it's a treat. Come to mama. I love you. I love you so much. You're this little man. Okay. I'm going up. Let's go up, hon. Oh my God, this poor little man. Why he's up there? Oh my God, he ate like a freaking pig. A piggy pig. Oh, you're a piggy pig. You're a piggy pig. You're a piggy pig of Dada. Dada loves you so much, piggy pig. Hi, Dada. There's another open. Hubs, bag. Matutulog na ako. Kausahan na lang. Yeah, matutulog na kami, guys. Hello, guys. Nandito ako, guys. Si Misty, hindi talaga. Andun siya sa labas. Andun siya sa, stairs. Hindi, sabi ko, punta ka na dito. Hindi pumunta. Si Roxy lang andito, guys. Roxy, are you listening to Mama? Psst. You're not listening to me. I will put you downstairs. I will bring you downstairs. I will bring you down. Down. Yeah, so, matulog na kami, guys. Wala akong masyadong ganap today, guys. As in, guys. Ano lang kami doon, nagtambay sa labas. Nag-barbecue yung asawa ko. And then, kumakain na rin kami ng dinner. Look, my husband. I don't want you to show. And maybe you have to carry her. Okay, you do change.
Do me a favor, if you go downstairs, go bring me up 3 apples.
Advils, you just take medicine, hon.
I had the bag medicine, but my...
Anyway, here. Good night. Good night.
Hi guys.
Getting naked, guys.
Camera off. Camera off. On. Press that button.
Okay, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, so rockabye.